Hello and welcome to Minerals, Rocks, and Fossil Talks. I'm your geology teacher, Jen, and it's time for Monday Musings. Today we're going to talk about physical or mechanical weathering. Physical or mechanical weathering breaks intact rock into unconnected clasts or sediment. There are several ways in which this can occur. Natural cracks that form in rocks due to the removal of overburden, the rock on top of the target rock, or cooling are called joints. This causes blocks of rock to come loose and tumble down to form talus slopes. Wedging is another type of mechanical weathering. Frost wedging occurs when water gets into the joints and freezes, expanding the cracks further and causing them to break apart. Roots also can cause wedging when plant roots get into the joints, much like they break up a sidewalk in the city. They can do it to a regular old rock. Salt wedging occurs in arid places. Salt precipitates and grows in open pores in the rock themselves, and it pushes the grains apart so that when the rain comes, the rock disintegrates, and then you get this cool honeycomb pattern. Thermal expansion can also break apart rocks. This usually occurs during particularly intense forest fires, or near like a Pluton volcano activity, things like that. The fires or the hot rock bake the other rocks, the outer layer expands. When it cools, that layer contracts and breaks off in these sort of sheets so that it peels kind of like an onion. It looks super cool. This can also occur when there's intense sunlight, like direct sunlight, a lot. Like in a desert, where you don't get a lot of cloud cover, just lots of direct sunlight baking those rocks. Animals are also really good at breaking rocks using burrows, like this little desert tortoise. You'll find that deserts are really good at physical weathering. We are also really good at mechanical weathering, whether we're breaking it apart this way or using like a ditch digger or something. We cause a lot of physical weathering too. Thanks for coming to today's lesson, and make sure you tune in tomorrow for some fun trivia. And I will fossilize you later.